Islam. Islam is not merely a religion, it is a complete code of life that provides guidance for all aspects of human existence. Economics is an essential part of human life, and Islam lays down its principles with remarkable clarity and balance, ensuring both social justice and economic prosperity. A unique feature of the Islamic economic system is that it does not separate ethics from economics. The acquisition and use of wealth are not purely for material gain but must remain within the bounds of moral and divine principles. The system rests on three major pillars: the prohibition of interest, Riba, the system of Zakat, and comprehensive measures to combat poverty. Let us examine each of these in detail. 1. Prohibition of interest, Riba. Definition of interest. Riba refers to any fixed, predetermined excess amount over the principal of a loan, charged by the lender from the borrower, regardless of whether the rate is high or low. In Islam, all forms of riba are strictly forbidden. The Quran declares, Allah has permitted trade and has forbidden interest. Al-Baqarah, 275. Wisdom behind the prohibition. Islam forbids interest because it leads to unjust concentration of wealth and exploitation. Under an interest-based economy, wealth accumulates in the hands of the rich while the poor sink deeper into poverty. The harmful effects of interest include: 1. Unfair distribution of wealth. The wealthy earn more without effort or risk. 2. Reduction in productive activity. Lenders prefer guaranteed interest over investment in real economic ventures. 3. Exploitation of the poor. Borrowers are often trapped in cycles of debt and financial misery. Islamic alternatives to interest. Instead of interest-based lending, Islam promotes musharaka, partnership, mudaraba, profit-sharing, salam, advance payment contracts, and ijara, leasing, systems in which profit and loss are shared. These ensure fairness, encourage real economic activity, and keep wealth circulating productively. 2. The system of Zakat, wealth redistribution. Definition of Zakat. Zakat is a mandatory annual almsgiving on every financially capable Muslim who possesses wealth above a specified threshold, nisab. Its goal is not only to assist the needy but also to ensure the circulation of wealth within society. Wisdom of Zakat. Zakat is more than charity, it is a structured redistribution mechanism that 1. Promotes economic justice by ensuring resources reach the underprivileged. 2. Prevents wealth concentration in the hands of a few. 3. Fosters social solidarity between the rich and the poor. Scope of Zakat. Zakat is levied not only on cash but also on gold, silver, trade goods, agricultural produce, livestock, and other assets. The Quran specifies its recipients: the poor, the needy, those in debt, travelers, and other deserving categories. Economic impact of Zakat. A well-implemented Zakat system ensures no one remains below the poverty line. Wealth flows from the affluent to the less fortunate. The state gains a stable financial base for welfare projects. 3. Measures against poverty. The Islamic economic framework goes beyond Zakat and incorporates a wide range of strategies to eradicate poverty sustainably. A. Voluntary charity, sadaqah. In addition to Zakat, Islam encourages sadaqah, fitrana, kafra, and vows as forms of voluntary charity to meet immediate needs. Although optional, these acts nurture compassion and mutual care in society. B. The Waqf system, endowment. A Waqf is an endowment of property or wealth for public welfare such as schools, hospitals, water supply, or housing. Historically, Waqf institutions funded orphanages, libraries, and public works, greatly improving social infrastructure. C. Protection of workers' rights. Islam dignifies labor and safeguards workers' rights. The Prophet said, "Pay the worker his wages before his sweat dries." Ibn Majah. This principle prevents exploitation and ensures fair compensation for labor. D. Fair distribution of resources. Islam regards natural resources like land, water, and minerals as public trusts. Monopolization is discouraged, ensuring equitable access for all citizens. E. Role of the state. An Islamic state is responsible for fulfilling every citizen's basic needs: food, clothing, shelter, education, and healthcare. In the time of Caliph Umar ibn Abdul Aziz, the Zakat system was so effective that no one remained eligible to receive it. 4. Implementation in the modern era. To apply the Islamic economic system today: 1. Eliminate interest-based banking and expand Islamic finance and banking. 2. Digitize Zakat management for transparency and efficient distribution. 3. Strengthen welfare institutions under state supervision for long-term poverty reduction. 4. Revive the WACS system to revolutionize education and healthcare sectors. Conclusion: the Islamic economic system is built on balance, justice, and human welfare. The prohibition of interest channels capital into productive ventures, Zakat ensures fair wealth distribution, and anti-poverty measures create social harmony and prosperity. If implemented with sincerity and transparency, this system can produce a society where no one suffers from hunger or destitution, and every individual lives with dignity and self-respect.